Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Solana update. It's been a while we haven't talked about Solana, so let's do this. And you're trading at 136. There is something very good that I saw about Solana that shows there's an 11% move up coming. So I think we are about to see a move all the way towards $150. So what did I see and why do I say that? So right now you are retracing a little bit. You have pumped all the way to $143 in the past few days, and then you retrace down to 136. Now this retrace down is a retest of a broken trend line here. So you can see that we have this one place that you're trying to retest here. So let's zoom in a little and study further more. So as you zoom in and you go closer and closer, you have the touch, the rejection, a fake out here, rejection, and then a move towards the downside. And then finally, after that, you had another few touches again. So you had another rejection, until we popped up with a green candle. So that's where I say that this move down is a retest. So I do think that you're probably going to go down a little bit more to 131.79. So retest here, and then you can actually continue and go on to that place where you started off this trend line, and that is going to be all the way up here. It's going to take that line. Okay, so we're actually going to see a technical target of 152.63, which can offer a nice good trading opportunity. So we're looking for 131.54 all the way to 152. So we do have a 15.89% setup, which I think, in my opinion, is highly likely to play out. The EMAs are also crossing over. You can see we do have the 4-hour EMA crossover, and it does look like the 55 is your best bet at the moment for an entry. So you can actually expect a little bit more drop down to properly touch the 55 at 132, maybe even go a little bit lower to 131, and then from there start to go up. I would actually not want to see Solana below 123 again, because that's actually going to provide a fake out here. Whatever this was, this is going to be a fake out if you go to 124. So good. The momentum is good. We're shifting the direction at the moment. We're actually creating higher lows and higher highs. We're in an uptrend, mini uptrend right now. And I will say this as final comments in here, that if you go above 152 and you take out 152, you do have another place where you still have to fight for your life, and that's going to be $179, because that's where you have another supply area. This is where you started falling down, massively. So it's an area of influence, 179, because this, you can see you have support here, support right there, support, resistance, and resistance. So if you somehow make it from 151, break above 151, 179, and break above here, you have 214. So we are going to go step by step, and that also depends, right? So since you're going to be climbing up from here, it also depends that you do not go down below 124. If you go below 124, forget even about the 152, right? And it could actually be a struggle to even hold the 124, and you could actually open up the window to drop down to 94 or even lower again. So we need to be holding them. We need the EMAs to hold up pretty well. And I will say this, do try at 131. You can actually end up winning the trade as well. So you can put like 1 to 2% risk in there, which is the best thing to do, and try to win that 15-16%. So I wish you the best of luck, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one, office.